Hi, I'm Tom and this is Food Related. In today's video, for my newer subscribers, this is our little DIY lamb on the spit. So it's quite a simple little setup. Just got our 44-gallon drum just cut in half and actually riveted together, so don't even need to weld it. A couple of extra bits of metal inside just to kind of radiate that heat out towards the animal. Bit of money spent on some proper fittings, stainless steel, food grade stainless steel pipe, and some proper fittings to hold the animal onto the pipe. But this is where the real genius comes in. We've got our car wiper motor, which offers a lot of torque and quite a slow rotation speed going up to our bike wheel. Now, all I've used is an inner tube. I did intend to actually put a proper tire on the wheel and then run that directly onto the turning part of the wiper motor, but actually it's not really necessary. This is all powered by just a 12-volt battery charger, so very simple, and it gives us the perfect revolutions per minute. So it's approximately 3.5 turns per minute, which is a great speed for cooking a lamb. So we're just burning some local New Zealand wood here. This is totara, and it gives that nice, I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but a nice blue smoke and a nice heat, and the wood doesn't burn away too fast, which is what we're after. Now I think the real trick is managing the heat. So quite often put more of the heat around the shoulders and the legs area, try to avoid the back strap area because we don't want to overcook that part of the meat, that part of the lamb. This has been on for 2.5 hours now, and it will have another 2.5, just nice and slow. It's already basting itself in its own fat now, which is really good. So not an awful lot of seasoning on this, just a bit of salt at the beginning, and later on we'll start basting it up with olive oil, lemon juice. We're right by our big rosemary bush here, which is perfect. So we're about 4.5, almost 5 hours in now, and I reckon we've got about 1 hour left. Just been nursing the temperature, just keeping the temperature, trying to keep it here. I need to move some of this over now. But as you can see, getting nice and brown. Just been going low and slow, making sure we don't get too crispy too early, and that lamb crackle is going to be amazing.